The Todd Show with Radio 4, brought to you by Danube in association with Sanford and Swiss Arabia.
Hello and welcome to the Todd Show. मैं हूं श्रुति और मेरे साथ है
A big hello and a very warm welcome to the talk of the town. मैं हूं नील.
Thank you so much for all the appreciation and support. बस इसी तरह से आप हमारे शो को देखते रहिए और एंजॉय करते रहिए. अच्छा नील, आज एक चीज मैंने नोटिस की.
And that is?
कि तुम आज कुछ बदले से लग रहे हो.
Well, obviously मैंने आज मेरे जैकेट के नीचे टी-शर्ट नहीं पहनी है.
Very funny. जैसे कि मैंने शर्ट पे जैकेट नहीं पहनी है. Not that.
Then?
ये कि तुम आज स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के आए हो.
मैंने सोचा कि लाइफ में थोड़ा सीरियस होना मांगता है, you know, focus. So why not start with our own show?
क्या बात है. लेकिन एक बात बताओ, जब तुम सीरियस होते हो ना,
अरे बोलना.
तो बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं लगते.
है ना?
I know.
That's what I was thinking. ये serious is not my cup of tea. I would rather be myself. That is Neil.
Thank you so much for coming back to yourself. चलिए अब शो को आगे बढ़ाते हैं.
But शो में आज कुछ मीठा नहीं होने वाला है. I mean, होगा but थोड़ा later. Right now we'll start with a bang.
Okay, bang.
What a fantastic remembrance of the great Michael Jackson.
A very different kind of event this was.
And what setting? Steps of Burj Khalifa.
They even had water dancing to Mikey's tunes. All right, the man from the poster has come real in front of me. I have the lead choreographer of Fitness First, Rio, right?
Hi, yes, hi.
All right, tell me something first. What do you think of events like these?
It's just like, it's all about having fun. You know, we prepared for quite a period of time, and then we use all the sorts of like media by texting, Facebook and stuff. So, and then it went well. So it's just, and then we had like 2 practices.
I did not get a step of the thriller. So
Yeah.
could you just teach me one of these?
All right, why not? All right, Ella, we'll do it for you. Okay.
All right, let's go.
All right, so the thing is, it's the chorus. The chorus part is like thriller. So it's all about leaning back and just, you know, just relax your arms. And just.
You know what, Shruti? इस इवेंट पे जाके मुझे अंदाज अपना की सीक्वल में रोल मिल गया.
हाँ, वो आमिर खान की जो तुम नौटंकी करते हो वही वाला ना?
अबे आमिर खान का नहीं, मुझे तेजा का रोल मिला, तेजा का.
Like how?
क्योंकि तेजा मैं हूँ, मार्क इधर है.
Dot is at the Burj Steps because there is dance extravaganza happening, and with me is Mark, the sales and marketing director of Fitness First Middle East. Hey Mark, how are you doing?
Yeah, very good, thank you, very good.
So Mark, you've decided to make these people dance, huh?
Yes, we have. We wanted to do something that was similar to a flash mob, but we thought flash mob had been done quite a lot. And we also wanted people to know about it, so we thought let's tell people where it's going to be, when it's going to be, and what it's about.
Like I tell you, sometimes and only sometimes we show you some events which are slightly dated, but are informative and interesting nonetheless.
Like this one that is coming to your screens right now.
The launch of the largest ever refrigerator by Hitachi.
But how big is it?
Well, big, really big. Size does matter.
Well, it does when especially you have a large family and a lot of things to store.
We launched the lineup of large-size refrigerators around 3 years ago, starting with the French door, which was very, very successful and became the market leader in its category. This was followed by the side-by-side refrigerators. And today here we are to launch the largest refrigerator in the world, which is a 2-door refrigerator.
You know what, Shruti? फ्रिज अपने लाइफ में कितना इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया है। यहाँ तक कि ऐसे ऐसे देश है दुनिया में जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर्स आर सब जीरो एंड इवन दोस कंट्रीज दोस पीपल हैव फ्रिजेस इन देयर हाउस। Why? So as to keep the food under manageable temperatures.
I totally understand, Neil. Lekin right now we don't have time on the show to get into that discussion.
Why not? I mean, we've taken all of these things for granted. चाहे वो AC हो, मोबाइल फोन हो, अपने फ्रिज हो, टीवी हो।
Yes. Up next is a TV launch.
केडी टीवी।
अरे तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए, LG ने लॉन्च किया उनका नया सिनेमा स्मार्ट टीवी।
टीवी से याद आया कि बचपन में मेरे दो फेवरेट शोज हुआ करते थे। एक था चित्रार और दूसरा थी वो संडे नाइट की फिल्म। उसके अलावा टीवी पे तक कुछ आता ही नहीं था।
और अब we are completely spoiled for our choices. लेकिन फिर भी एक ऐसी चीज है जो कि आपको और मुझे हम सबको बेहद पसंद है और वो है बॉलीवुड मूवीज।
Talking about Bollywood movies, they come to you on your favorite Bollywood channel.
That is
B4U Movies.
So this new TV from LG is the slimmest bezel offering 3D pictures and I'm told you have to see it to believe it.
So let's see it.
Smart TVs, we have key difference. It should be easy to use. With the magic remote control, you can easily use the smart TV functions, apps and 3D contents. When you use the computer with a mouse, so it's very easy to use. That is the key difference from our competitors.
यार मजा आ गया ये देख के। मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया श्रुति, मेरे घर का जो 29 इंच का डब्बा है ना वो निकाल के बाहर फेंकूंगा और ये 3D वाली टीवी लेके आऊंगा।
Very nice, Neil. लेकिन फिलहाल इस डिस्कशन का हमारे पास बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं है बिकॉज टाइम हो चुका है ब्रेक का।
इतनी जल्दी क्या ब्रेक की?
तुम्हें कैसे पता? तुम्हारे पास तो घड़ी नहीं है, so it's a break time.
ओके, ब्रेक।